guys! This week we'll be discussing combo sets. I wanted to show you some of our best-selling combos and how I stack them together and dress them up or dress them down and how I get the most use out of them. These do tend to sell out really quickly, so I would definitely recommend getting on them right away. The reason being is that when you do buy a combo set, you are saving 20 to 25% off the original price opposed to buying them individually. So the first and best-selling combo set is the mini Huggy earring combo set. These 4 earrings are included. It is my absolute favorite. Since the first 2 are a little bit bigger, they can go on your first and second piercing, and then the last 2 are a little smaller so they can go on higher up piercings. You can also wear them on both ears. So this is the Bridesmaid Combo set. The reason that I put this together was because I felt like so many girls need a perfect set to wear to a really close friend's wedding, and you just sort of want to feel really dressed up. It's when you're wearing something really special and want to look awesome. So this is the Bachelorette Combo set. It comes in all sizes. It is so perfect, and the reason that I put this together was so that when a bride-to-be wants to go on her bachelorette, she does not have to take her real ring. Inspired by an employee of mine who had asked to borrow one of these rings for her bachelorette because she was afraid to lose her own. This is another great combo that so many people buy. It is a bestseller. It comes in all the 3 colors. It's one of the hollow hoops. This is the 35mm. It is the trio hollow hoop combo set. Love this because one never knows which color they may need to wear depending on the outfit that they're wearing. And so I feel like I love this because you get all 3 for a great price and never have to worry that you may be out of one. For the star and celestial lovers, this is the perfect combo set. It is the star necklace x lariat combo set, which match perfectly together since it is exactly the same style. They also come at different lengths so that they can be stacked perfectly, with the choker being on top and the lariat going further below. I love this, and I think it is so awesome to wear from day into night. You can wear them individually or together depending on the occasion.